We have a fun one here at European Motors. Got a gorgeous sunny day in Cedar Rapids, Iowa here at European Motors, and we have a 2023 Toyota GR86 with a 6-speed manual transmission, limited slip differential, and full factory warranty. Have a gorgeous exterior pearl white, a ton of metallic flake. I don't know if that's showing up for you in the video, but just it really has a nice look in the sun. And then black interior, got the GR steering wheel, and then of course the 6-speed manual transmission, the one to have. Have a nice set of Michelin tires on this one. Good amount of tread left on those. As you'd expect, this car only has 9,000 miles on it. Front end is in really good shape. Man, I hope that paint is coming through over the camera. That just has a really nice look in the sunlight here in Iowa. Another look at those Michelin tires. Sight down the passenger side. I don't see any dings or marks. Have the factory door protector on the edge there. The rims are in great shape. On the passenger side here, I don't see any curb marks. Back of the cars look great with the dual tailpipe. Got the backup camera in there. We'll get the trunk popped. We have the GR all-weather mat. And then we have this really nice carbon lip spoiler as well. Sighting down the driver's side here. Again, I don't see any dings. As you would expect, the rims are in great shape. And let's pop the hood on this one. Ooh, I just noticed we got a nice black. See, there's actually some metallic in those mirror caps as well. And then get the, if I can find it, get the hood popped open here. There it is. Boxer 4-cylinder engine, nice and clean as you would expect. And we still got full factory warranty on that one as well. Give you one more walk around then. Let's get to the best part. Let's drive this thing. I actually just drove this car around the block before we shot this video, and this is a lot of fun for a car that's still under factory warranty, 9,000 miles. Let's get to the best part. Buckled up here, and then of course we have push button start here. Push the clutch in. Nice exhaust tone there, very tasteful. Dual auto climate. Of course, this is a 2023, so we have backup camera, Bluetooth phone and audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a nice touch screen. Got that Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's a really nice feature. See if there's anything on the radio here today. And these have a nice sound system in it as well. Nice sound system. Get that turned down though so you can hear the car. I really like the way these cars shift. They have a nice feel to them, nice short throw. It's all, of course, factory equipped. This car reminds me a lot I'm a BMW fan, and I've had multiple E36 M3s, and then a couple E36 and E46 non-Ms, and this reminds me a lot of just the older BMW, just fun to drive, very analog. You get some nice convenience features with the touchscreen, but the actual drive itself, you're very engaged. See, we have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. I really like this car. It's a blast to drive. I know, I want to say these are almost 240 horse, which is what you would get in a standard E36 M3. They're just it's just a ton of fun. They're rev happy cars. We got the green here, so we might throw it through here. Catch up to this X5 in no time. And just a ton of fun. We'll let them get ahead here, see if we can get it up. We almost caught them too quick. There's 55 miles an hour, 5th gear, and this is 6-speed as well, something you did not get in the E36 M3, so that's really nice for cruising on the highway. Get the RPMs a little lower, help with the fuel economy. Nice light car, let's get great fuel economy as well. So you can have fun, daily drive it, but then still, you're still in a economical car. You're not burning through 8 miles to the gallon with a big V8. Still have plenty of power to have fun. So give us a call, 319-393-8496. European Motors, Iowa. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states. Give us a call if you have questions about that, or stop on by. We're about 4 hours away from St. Louis, Chicago, Omaha, Minneapolis. Take a look and take this car for a spin yourself. You might fall in love like I have here. This is I might have to drive this to lunch if it sticks around too long. 319-393-8496. Thanks for watching.